Welcome to this video guide on geography. We will cover the complete course curriculum, key topics, exam weightage, essential concepts, and a precise strategy to help you succeed in your exams. Geography for competitive exams is built upon four main pillars: physical geography, Indian geography, world geography, and human and economic geography. Understanding each of these is crucial for your preparation. First, let's look at physical geography. This section covers fundamental concepts like geomorphology, climatology, and oceanography, including the Earth's structure, atmospheric layers, and oceanic phenomena. Next is Indian geography, which is highly significant. Focus on its physical features, river systems, the monsoon cycle, soil types, natural vegetation, and essential resources like agriculture and transport. World geography and mapping is your third focus area. Master the locations of continents, major rivers, straits, canals, and important lines of latitude and longitude, while keeping track of globally significant places. Finally, we cover human and economic geography. Key topics here include demographics, agricultural patterns, major industrial clusters, and the distribution of various tribes across India and the world. Exam analysis shows that Indian geography holds the highest priority across most competitive exams. Other sections are equally important for building conceptual clarity and ensuring comprehensive preparation. Some topics are frequently tested, such as Indian river systems, monsoon and cyclone patterns, and the locations of national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. Make sure to master these hot topics. Build your foundation by understanding these four core concepts: latitude and longitude, plate tectonics, pressure belts and winds, and the impact of ocean currents on regional climates. To prepare effectively, follow these four steps. Study NCERT books, practice mapping daily, solve previous year's questions, and link your studies with current affairs. Follow these best practices. Use maps, draw diagrams, create short notes, and review regularly. Avoid rote learning without maps, relying on too many books, or neglecting current events. Thank you for watching this guide. Remember, success in geography depends on conceptual clarity and consistent map practice. Good luck with your studies.